What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, October 21st. Sad today, already sad. 40-point range on the overnight. As of 8:41, we're at, pretty much on the lows. We are below the 3663, 3683 zone. So if we open down here, it is going to be bearish. Technically, an opening below this 77 level is bearish. So we need to get above that. 77.80. That's a decent level. We've been hanging out there for a while. So we get above 80. And then, it was that 97, 3700, but it's really more like that 3710 now. And then upside target would be 3760, and then that 3782. So I would look at, if we pop back up, 3710, if we can get above this 3680 level. I don't see it happening right now, but anything can happen we have options expiration today, so there's stuff coming off. It's not a major, it's just a monthly, but there's going to be some shenanigans, I'm sure. 36 quarter, 36.20. I'd watch that level, but really the big one again is that 36.90 level, 94, 95, or 93, 90, whatever. I mean, this, if we lose this, then, we have potential to get back into, the 35. Remember that 35.05 last week, and it dipped down to 02 and it spiked right back up, as you can tell. That was that wild day where we went all the way down, spiked, and we closed all the way up. So that was that dippy dip, but that recovery didn't last long, and now we're kind of heading back. So now this could still reverse, and they still could pump it, or there's again the options expiration, there's shenanigans. It looks like it's going to pop up right now. So those are kind of my levels right now. But really watch that 39.90 or the 35.90, excuse me. And then, the 35 half, and then 3,500. We'll see if we get down there. Here's your daily. As you can tell, this trend line's been in check for a long time. Up, pop, down. You know what I mean? So every time we pop up, we get smashed. And every pop up is a little lower. So we're just grinding down. I mean, this is just typical bear market. There's look at that 35.90 level. Anyway, so now we're trickling back down. So we'll see. I don't expect anything crazy, but the currency markets, the bond markets are going crazy right now. Euro's down today, 651. It's a good move down. This is doing the same thing. Pop down, pop down, pop down. We're just kind of chugging along down the pike. British pound, so much shit going on over there. They're asking for Boris Johnson back. So what a mess over there. And again, the euro is a doomed currency. I'm waiting for it to go to zero. I didn't realize the British pound was that bad, but it doesn't look great. SPX, so we have the two cash gaps down here, 34.84, 34.43 from November of 2020. I don't see that happening today. This one's the big one, though, 36.38, 35.83. More than likely, we're going to open up into that. No, we're not. We'll open up above it. But that's the next cash gap I'd see. So the 36.38 is the top of that. So sometimes that forms a support on those cash gaps so they don't go through. Or just bleeds into it. We've seen that. There was a cash gap up here that got filled yesterday, so that's something I'd take a look at. Economic calendar is very bleak today, so it's just kind of, I don't think we have any Fed speakers. So it's just going to be option expiration and, maybe some orderly flow, but watch for a reversal that, whenever we open down, 2030, it could reverse. When we open down hard is really when, on the overnight, when you get down like 80, 100 points, that's when I want to see a reversal. So I'm neutral right now. I mean, it's going to open up. If we open up here, we'll be bearish. And I don't know. Stay safe. These swings have been wild, so the room's done a great job just getting in, getting out, take your money and go. Anyway, stay safe. I'll be in the room all day.